Hey guys, what's up? And today it is Asher's Planet, and today we're going to put some crazy stuff in. I forgot what this is called, but if you know, just remind me in the comments. We are going to put a marshmallow in first. Okay? A single marshmallow right here. And now we're going to put it in the microwave without a plate. And we are going to put it for time cook 500 start. We're cooking it. That's just the beginning. We're gonna do some more crazy stuff today. We are gonna put like raw stuff in there. We're gonna put like an apple in there, or a banana. We're gonna put this in actually for about like 1.5 minutes. Okay guys, not even in for a minute yet, but guys, this is gonna be so crazy what we do. We are gonna let it out in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what it turned into. Guys, this is what the marshmallow turned into. It is pretty disgusting. Now we're gonna put a raw banana in. That's gonna be in there for 15 seconds. Okay? The banana's only gonna be there for cancel off, add 30 seconds. It's gonna be in there for 30 seconds of a raw banana. No, 15 seconds. Because I don't know what's gonna happen to the banana. It's gonna probably become really bad. Like nobody would want it. Actually, all of it. Guys, the banana is on fire. We're gonna throw this banana into. Okay, guys, I just threw the banana into the woods. Now we are gonna cook a raw graham cracker in for 15 seconds. Cancel off, add 30 seconds. We'll put in a raw graham cracker for 50 seconds. Okay, we have to 15. Pretty hard. No, actually pretty light now, but it cracked in half. Now that's enough for today, guys, and see you later. Bye, and make sure to subscribe.